Hi everyone! In this lesson, you'll practice how to discuss language abilities.
You'll be challenged to discuss language abilities. First, let's look at some examples.
いちかさんは英語ができますか？はい、少しできます。
To ask if someone can do something, like speak a language, say the language followed by.
ができますか？
To answer affirmatively, say.
はい、できます。
To answer negatively, say.
いいえ、できません。
Listen to a few more examples.
ジャックさんは中国語ができますか？
いいえ、できません。
トムさんはスペイン語ができますか？
はい、できます。
Let's practice. You meet Jack. Ask him if he can speak Chinese.
いいえ、できません。
Now, meet Tom. Ask him if he can speak Spanish.
はい、できます。
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time, and use the sentence pattern featured in the examples. Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency. To learn more vocabulary and phrases, access our Can Do video series by clicking the link in the description.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to discuss language abilities. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Japanese skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language. Discover your true learning level and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.